Psalm 20. Bannered Victory. The Lord hear thee in the day of trouble. The name of the God of Jacob defend thee. Send thee help from the sanctuary, and strengthen thee out of Zion. Remember all thy offerings, and accept thy burnt sacrifice, Selah. Grant thee according to thine own heart, and fulfill all thy counsel. We will rejoice in thy salvation, and in the name of our God we will set up our banners. The Lord fulfill all thy petitions. Now know I that the Lord saveth his anointed. He will hear him from his holy heaven with the saving strength of his right hand. Some trust in chariots, and some in horses, but we will remember the name of the Lord our God. They are brought down and fallen, but we are risen and stand upright. Save, Lord, let the King hear us when we call. Devotional Meditation. Psalm 20 is a psalm of proclamation, a prayer spoken before battle, blessing the anointed with divine favor, strength, and remembrance. It is a communal intercession, calling on heaven to support the mission of one who trusts not in the weapons of man, but in the name of the Lord. This psalm is used when sending others into sacred duty, warfare, or transition. It declares victory in advance, sets up the banner of God's name, and shifts power away from the earthly trust. It is particularly meaningful when praying for leaders, missionaries, or those facing formidable tasks. Invocation of Activation. Lord of the armies, bless those you have anointed. Send help from the sanctuary, and raise your banner over us. Let your name be our victory and our standing sure. Fulfill our cry and lead us into triumph. Amen.